In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your social media presence using HubSpot's powerful tools. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in to monitoring engagement to make sure you get the best results for your social media strategy. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, head over to the marketing menu. From there, navigate to the social section. This will be your centralized hub for managing and scheduling your social media content. HubSpot's interface is straightforward, but if you're logging in for the first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now let's talk about getting your social media posts ready in bulk. This step can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Look for the bulk upload feature, which allows you to import your social post data efficiently. HubSpot supports formats like CSV, which is very common for data uploads. If you have your posts organized in such a file, you can import them in one go. Make sure your file includes all necessary details for each post, such as content, links, and preferred posting dates. Once imported, it's important to review and edit your posts. This step ensures that everything looks perfect before it goes live. HubSpot gives you the flexibility to make changes easily, so take advantage of this feature. Check for typos, optimize your content for readability, and ensure that your links are functioning correctly. Use this opportunity to fine-tune your message and make sure it aligns with your overall marketing goals. With your posts ready to go, it's time to schedule them. HubSpot allows you to select the date and time for each post with ease. Scheduling at optimal times can increase visibility and engagement, so it's worth doing a little research if you're unsure about when your audience is most active online. Whether you're planning a campaign or just maintaining a steady online presence, scheduling your posts can be a game changer. Finally, you'll want to keep an eye on your scheduled posts and the engagement they receive. Head back to the social dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of all your posts. This is where you can track metrics such as likes, comments, shares, and more. Monitoring this data is crucial for understanding what content resonates with your audience and adjusting your strategy accordingly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your social media activities using HubSpot. Remember, the key to success is consistency and adaptability. So be sure to review your strategy regularly and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching and happy posting!